U.S. seizes major Venezuelan oil tanker. A sudden escalation in sanctions politics. In a dramatic show of force on international waters, the United States military has seized what President Donald Trump describes as the largest tanker ever captured under U.S. sanctions. The vessel, categorized as a stateless tanker, was intercepted off the Venezuelan coast. According to U.S. officials, this tanker has a history of docking in Venezuelan ports, an activity Washington claims directly violates its oil sanctions against the Maduro government. What makes this move controversial is not just the size of the tanker, but the timing. Analysts note that this seizure comes at a sensitive geopolitical moment, with tensions between Washington and Caracas already heightened. Critics argue this could spark retaliatory measures from Venezuela, while supporters say it reinforces U.S. capacity to enforce international sanctions aggressively. This action may further strain U.S.-Latin American relations, especially as regional governments remain split on how to approach Venezuela's economic crisis and governance issues. China's $1.07 trillion trade surplus. The new global economic flashpoint. China has recorded an unprecedented $1.07 trillion global trade surplus in the first 11 months of the year, the largest in modern economic history. Economists worldwide are calling this a wake-up call for China's trading partners, especially the European Union. The scale of this surplus suggests two things. China continues to dominate global manufacturing. Other economies may be struggling to remain competitive. European leaders warn that the imbalance could trigger stronger trade defense measures, including tariffs and import controls. With geopolitical tensions already high, China's soaring surplus is likely to become the next battleground in global economic diplomacy. Germany reintroduces conscription, security necessity, or political gamble. In a highly divisive move, the German parliament has approved a new conscription bill, reintroducing military service after more than a decade of relying solely on volunteers. Here's how the system works. Stage 1. The Bundeswehr recruits volunteers. Stage 2. If numbers fall short, the law allows random, needs-based military conscription for men born after 2008. This decision follows months of political rhetoric linking Germany's security to the growing threat from Russia. But the public reaction has been intense. Tens of thousands flooded Berlin's streets in protest, accusing lawmakers of using fear to justify militarization. With Germany playing a central role in NATO's European strategy, this law is expected to draw both domestic and international scrutiny.